basically, what I noticed is that many people who come to see me, they somehow, when they have a panic attack, they feel like they need to stay in that place and really think on that in that specific time, what causes it, what's happening. And they feel like that might be a good time for reflection. So, well, this is not a good time for a reflection. This is a good time for distraction. I'm going to think with you in metaphors. My favorite metaphor is that we are a solar system with a sun in the middle, and you have got all those planets and stars and Milky Ways. And can you imagine that on one of the planets, there is an actual volcano eruption? If you read The Little Prince, Saint-Exupéry, there is actually a little prince hopping from one planet onto another. And each of the planet represents a different thought, emotions, problems, philosophical difficulties. In the case of The Little Prince, all of those realities, they are all in you. If you decide to stay on another planet, for example, joy, it doesn't mean that the planet with the panic attack isn't there. Of course it is. But you are not sitting on it when the volcano is erupting. And the volcano eruption can actually symbolize your neurobiology, what is happening to your body with the chemical release in your body. You don't want to agitate your body even further. You want to calm the body. And when the body is calm, that's a great place to reflect. People who experience panic attacks, they very often do not come back and reflect in a structured therapeutic manners to what's been happening in their life. Very often ignore the reality of their body. Healthy self-care routine is very important here. For example, having longer mornings if you can, to to prepare for the day, to see how your body is, to see what it needs and what will be the priority for the day. Just simply have a cup of tea in the morning. There is another option. You can always download the Balance Psychotherapy app from the App Store and from Google Play. Have that in with you, kind of like a little pocket-sized therapist with you. The app is great because it's not a generic app. So you have got the expertise of a therapist with mindfulness. So when you're using the mindfulness sessions, you can be sure that they are therapeutic. Feeling out of balance? The Bespoke app offers tools and techniques for on-the-go well-being.
Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth.